Hello everyone, I'm Andre McClendon, and today I bring you Fantom. I'll be sharing 3 simple things about this cryptocurrency, some market information, the news, and a price prediction at the end. Let's begin. We're on CoinMarketCap, guys, looking at Fantom with the ticker of FTM, sitting at currently $2.61. They have a very large market cap of $6.6 billion. So there will be opportunity to trade and hodl this cryptocurrency. But before we dive down that path, what is it? Fantom is a directed acyclic graph DAG smart contract platform providing decentralized finance DeFi services to developers using its own bespoke consensus algorithm. Together with its in-house token FTM, Fantom aims to solve problems associated with smart contract platforms, specifically transaction speeds, with developers saying they have reduced to under 2 seconds. So what makes Fantom unique? Fantom attempts to use new scratch-built consensus mechanism to facilitate DeFi and related services on a basis of smart contracts. So that's what makes them different, guys. Let's check what markets we can get this on, for either trading or hodling. So they're on Binance, KuCoin, FTX, Gate.io, Gemini, Bitfinex, Gate.io, Uniswap. What else? Oh, SushiSwap, MEXC. I don't see Coinbase, but they're on some other platforms. OpenOcean. So they have a lot of platforms that you guys can get a part of this. Wow, there's a lot. So trading and hodling this does seem possible for both. So let's check out their ratings, guys. So their ratings, they got a double B. If you guys want to look at the details and how they got this information for their rating, I'll have it linked below, so please check that out. But let's check out the news, guys. So I found one very interesting article posted 4 days ago. So here's Fantom's, get rid of this. We're on AMB crypto.com. Fantom displays significantly strong fundamentals that may say 2 to 3 times X in rise. Now, if you guys want to look at this article, I will have a link below. I did scan it a little bit to see what their price prediction is. I will get into mine in a second. But here's theirs, what they feel where it can be going. So please check that out. Also, guys, here's their website, fantom.foundation. If you want to learn more about the cryptocurrency, please educate yourself, learn more about this if you want to get into this or not. Also, they have a Twitter page of 227,000 followers, so a lot of followers, a lot of people tweeting about this, so please check it out. Also, follow me, Andre J. McClendon, on Twitter. I talk about political stuff, trading and investing like I do on this channel. Let's also go to Reddit. They're on a Reddit page, so if you guys looking at if you're on Reddit and you want to check out more about this cryptocurrency, please check it out, guys. So that's the market information, that's the news, and some of the social medias you can follow. Let's do the price prediction, guys. So on the price prediction, guys, we're on the daily. This thing has been doing monster moves all the way up to about almost $4. So it's pretty crazy. If you guys got a part of this cryptocurrency when it was like 20 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents, you're in huge gains right now. If that was me down here, guys, I'll be taking off some profits and locking in my trade and letting the rest run. But for this, guys, I'm going to talk about getting at the current market price, trading and hodling this position. So for me, guys, first off, trading. See, I see 3 days down on a massive wick right here. So for me, it seemed that a lot of people exited this position, and they also bought increasingly. So what I'm going to do off the bat is just do a buy limit right here, right at the bottom of this wick. It seems like it's going to re-attempt this location, and I'm going to wait a little bit because it seems like this red day might continue back down and engage down to this $2.40. So I'm going to place a buy limit here. My price prediction is going to be back up to this level right about here. That's $3.17. That's my price prediction, guys. I'm showing you more how I'm going to get into that. So first off, I'm going to do a buy limit right here. If it doesn't hit my buy limit, I'm going to place a buy stop as my second thing I'm going to do. I'm going to place it a little bit above it. So why a buy stop and not the current price? Because I'm thinking that it is going to go lower because it's on the daily. It might go a couple days lower. And if it goes down lower, I don't want to be in the red on that trade. And if it's a buy stop, I want to be in the bull of that zone. So if it catches me, I want to be a little bit higher than this point. So I'm going to place a buy limit around here. So first off, buy limit right here. at the $2.40 that are at this low. And then I'm going to place a buy stop a little bit above here, maybe around the 280, 290 level. And then if this one engages and hits up and engages this buy stop, I'll have 2 orders for trading. If that happens, I'm going to make sure that I exit one of my positions at this $3.20 level, and then I'm going to move my stop loss from the entry price above my entry, lock it in my trade. Once I do that, lock it in my trade, then I can let that trade run as much as I can and let that bull run just take that trend. That's how I'm going to approach it on a trading perspective. Now I'm talking about hodling right now. If I'm going to hodl this, guys, I'm just going to enter in on market. And for this, guys, I'm going to do the same price prediction for hodling, $3.20. But for me, when it comes to my entries, when it comes to hodling, I'm going to do the same analogy I've done before in the past. Every single Friday, if I get paid $500 for my job, I'm going to allocate $100 to FTM Fantom. And then in FTM Fantom, every Friday, I'm going to keep on doing that on a regular basis. I want to do this to remove the emotional part of trading. I want to do this to make sure I have a plan for entry. I'm also going to have a plan for exiting. If you don't exit, you don't have a plan for exiting when it comes to trading, that's going to be a big issue when it comes to making profits. So have a plan for entry, have a plan for exit, and you can do that and actually makes this a business. Trading is a business, treat it like a business, okay? So that's my price prediction, guys, $3.20. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them below. I will get to you guys and we can have that conversation. But let's get to my website and other information, okay? So I updated my website, guys. I finished the the chat, and I had some cryptocurrency, top 7 on there. If you guys are looking for trading while you guys are having this chat, please, guys, check this out. I also, if you want to look at charts, I put FTM on here so you can look at it. It's powered by investing.com. You guys can look on the daily. So if you're looking at trading, you can also go do this and have a conversation with other people on there. If you want to get started, guys, it's all free. Just hit guest, type in your name in, and that's it. Okay, that's all you need to do. Also, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment below. Let's have this conversation about cryptocurrencies, what's happening in our space, and have a wonderful day.